Are you in a dry spell right now and looking for other ways to get creative for your heat pressing and your embroidery? Well, today I'm going to show you a combo trick that I picked up over the years that can help you generate sales for your next upcoming holiday. We are going to take this bear from Canva. We're going to take the PNG and we're going to digitize it, and then we're going to use an applique. Instead of using your traditional pattern applique, we are actually going to use vinyl. So we're going to take some glitter vinyl and then we're going to use it as an applique version, and we're going to see how this one comes out. So stick around to the very end to get the full benefit to this tutorial. And if you find value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, as it's going to help support my channel out tremendously. So with that, let's go and get this started. All right, welcome to Canva, and today we are in the Create a Design, and I'm just going to select 5,000 by 5,000 pixels. Okay, now you can create your own design canvas board and just follow along with that. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to our Elements tool, and I'm just going to type in dab. And then the first one's under graphics. I'm just going to hit select all. And then here you have a variety of templates that you can choose from. We're simply going to select this cool bear. We're just going to hit T. Okay, and then we're going to type in N, capital N, K-E. Okay, and we're just going to bring this back out. Probably right there. And then we're just going to we're going to space it again. And again, until the E gets all the way to the end. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to take our bear and we're just going to zoom him down. We're going to insert our bear right there. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to hit share. We're going to hit download, and we are going to select transparent background. We're going to hit download. Now, if you don't have Chroma and you have another embroidery software, you can still follow along. You don't have to have this specific software. Okay, but in order to bring this design in, this is a PNG file, we are going to use our backdrop tool. So we're just going to select it, and we're going to bring in the image here. Okay, and we're going to change the width and the height. Now we want this to be let's say 5 by 3. So we're just going to click on the width is going to be 5. No, we want the height to be 5. So let's do 5. Okay. And then whatever this is going to end up with. All right. So, okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to just do a black base around the whole image here. And then we're going to fill in all the colors first. Okay, so what we'll do is let's go to our adjust lightness. We're going to bring that to a lighter shade. All right. And then from here, we'll just blow this up, and we're going to work our way from top all the way down to the bottom. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do our own Nike, but we want to do a pattern on it. So we're going to click on our text tool. All right. Let's type in N space, 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 K-E. And we're going to change this to, we're changing that into applique. Okay. And we're going to try to adjust this. Okay. All right. And we are just going to click here. We're going to hit, let's hit apply. All right. It's looking pretty cool there. It looks like we can reduce the and some. Let's click apply. And there we go. All right, and then let's change the background to black. So we're going to make that color number 1. And there you go, guys. There you go. Now let's go ahead and now this is a 5x3 design. So there you go. And that looks super cool, guys. Okay. Now let's go ahead and take our bear, and then let's go ahead and see how this one's going to come out. And let's see what it looks like. Okay. All right, let's put this under the heat press. Get those that vinyl stuck on that sweater here. Just do it twice. Right, and there you go, guys. With the benefit of Canva, applying their images and digitizing them yourself, you can recoup that digitizing fee for your business from your customers and start recouping that extra money. Okay, and look at how sharp that came out. And just to let you know, working with vinyl is a lot easier than actually doing applique, because when you do the applique, you have to cut everything around the border. With vinyl, it's just peeling it off because the stitches do the cutting for you. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up, as it's going to help support my channel out tremendously. And with that, I would love to hear your feedback and your comments. Do you like using applique, or do you like using vinyl instead of the applique? I would love to hear your feedback. So with that, you have a blessed week and a blessed day. And we'll see you guys back on my next video next week. And peace.